ये कोइंसिडेंस है कि आपका हनुमान में भी ये कैरेक्टर है कि आप बहुत एक कॉमन मैन है और उसके बाद आप सुपर हीरो बन जाते हैं, आपको अपनी शक्तियों के बारे में नहीं पता। इस फिल्म में भी थोड़ा सा जो हमने देखा वो, और लोगों ने उसको बहुत पसंद किया था हनुमान को, और आई थिंक इसको भी पसंद करेंगे। मैं बोल रही हूँ कि ये कोइंसिडेंस है, पर क्या आपको ये नहीं लगता है कि जिस तरह से जो स्पाइडरमैन है हमारे, जिनको लोग इतना पसंद करते हैं इसलिए क्योंकि वो खुद अपनी शक्तियों को नहीं जानता था, वो फैक्टर बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट रोल प्ले करेगा आपके इस कैरेक्टर के लिए।
It's like you're the chosen one for this, of course. पहले हनुमान में हमने आपको देखा, फिर यहाँ पर देखा. So, are you the chosen one? Is what she's trying to.
Ma'am, I strongly believe that there is a higher power that is guiding me. Otherwise, these kind of stories wouldn't come to me. And from where I have started, I come from no background. Even in Telugu, I come from no background. From where I have started, I was going from office to office for my break or for an opportunity. And in the same banner, after growing up, I've been a child actor, but after growing up, in the same banner, in Vishwasa's banner, I have done a character in their film. From there, I became a lead actor, and now sitting here today, along with Karan sir, addressing national media, it is not a small thing for me, ma'am. There is definitely universe helping me. Bhagwan ka krupa mujh par hai. I believe it, ma'am.
Hi Teja, I'm supporting this question also. I'm supporting these questions. I have seen that you are very religious person. Always you do religious in your films and all.
Sorry, ma'am.
You are very religious person. Each and every films in between religious and all.
Are you a religious person in life? No. Religious.
Religion in every film you're saying. Okay.
Yes.
Ma'am, I don't understand this question. Nobody asks anybody who does the same love story again and again and again. Why are you asking when we are trying to show our dharma? We have to be proud of it. This is our land.
Sure, we are proud.
This is our, no, ma'am. Ma'am, what I would like to say is, these are our morals, and moreover, it's a, whatever you have seen the trailer, it's a 3-minute 10 seconds trailer. उसमें 10 सेकंड का हमारा भगवान श्री राम का दर्शन है. उसके लिए आप पूछ रहे हैं रिलीजियन वगैरह. ये फिल्म में फैंटेसी है, एक्शन है, एडवेंचर है, एंड हनुमान भी, उसमें भी वो एक सुपर हीरो कहानी है, उसमें एक सिस्टर है, उसका एक अलग इमोशन है. लेकिन जो भी हम वी आर ट्राइंग टू ब्रिंग आउट a small moral or a connection with itihasas in a very cool way. You have to be happy that for the younger generation we are trying to tell our history in a very cool way, ma'am. I hope
I think he said it all, ladies and gentlemen. We'll just wrap this up. Boli. Did you take any kind of liberty, sir? Because you are the DOP and the director of this film. Was it like easy for you? Because, you know,
it took
both
2 years of my time, liberty.
It's definitely easy. I don't have to tell it to another person, so it's easier only for me. So I don't think.
One-man army doing
Sir,
everything.
they call it cinematic liberty for a reason. Sir, we have taken liberties in films that don't have VFX and AI also. We have taken many liberties in our life. And right now we are taking the liberty of saying goodbye to all of you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much,
very
Karan sir. That's
Hello.
all we have for you, ladies and gentlemen. I know. This conversation just can go on
Just
and
a
on.
second, I would like to add one small thing. Special thanks to Apurva sir, thanks to Bhumika ji, thanks to the whole Dharma team who have been supporting us in bringing this film to national audience. I will never forget what you're doing for us, sir. Karan sir, thanks a lot, sir. Thank you.
Sir.
Thank you to all the media who have come here to bless us. Mira is releasing on September 12th in theaters. Bring your families. We will promise you a big world. Thank you.
Thank you so much.